Good morning. We've had some issues with trying to do partial products, so I thought I'd give you a quick lesson on how I would try to explain this stuff to you, and I'll try to give you some different ways to do it. If we had a question like 23 times 52, with standard algorithm, what we're really doing is 23 times 2, and then 23 times 50. It's really kind of the same idea, except with partial products, we're breaking it down even further. So with partial products, 23 means 20 plus 3, and 52 means 50 plus 2. Ultimately, what you're doing is taking each number, so like 20, you're going to multiply it by both numbers on the other parentheses, and then add all those together. So 20 times 50 would be one of the things you would do. And then we're going to do 20 times the other number over here, which is 2. And then we're going to do 3 times both numbers on the other side, 3 times 50. Move the eraser. And then 3 times 2. So you're going to figure all these out. 2 times 5 is 10. We're going to add 2 zeros, so it's 1,000. 20 times 4. 2 times 4 is 4. We're going to add the 0, so it's 40. 3 times 50. 3 times 5 is 15. Add a 0, it's 150. And 3 times 2 is 6. So you'd add all those together, and that'll be your answer. Make sure they're lined up. So we have 6. 4 plus 5 is 9. 0 plus 1 is 1. And 1 plus nothing is 1. So the answer would be 1,196 for this one. We'll do another one. I'll show you a different way to do this. This is how I used to teach this method to people. So try some different numbers here. So let's say that we had 17 times 45. So again, ultimately, you're going to be breaking 17 down into 10 plus 7 times, and 45 would be 40 plus 5. If you break it down by place value, there's 1 in the tens, so there's 1 10, and there's 7 ones. There's 4 tens, which are 40, and 5 ones. What I would do on this one is call this the bow tie method. So I take 17 and do 10 plus 7, and underneath it I do 45 and put 40 plus 5. And what you're really doing is multiplying each of the numbers times each other. So 10 is going to go times both of these. So you're going to do 10 times 40. I'll put that over here. And that's going to equal 400. And then you're going to do 10 times 5. So you're multiplying the 10 times both of the numbers on the bottom. That would be 50. And over here, you're going to do 7 times both the numbers. So we could do 7 times 40. And then here we're going to do 7 times 5. And then we'll add them all up after we figure those out. 7 times 4 is 28. So this is going to be 280. And 7 times 5 is 35. I'm not going to have room to answer this. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. Plus 3 is 16. Carry the 1. We have 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer would be 765 for this. So this is pretty much the same thing I just showed you before, except I'm giving you a different way of doing it, giving you the bow tie method. But breaking 17 into 10 plus 7 times 45, which is 40 plus 5. And then 10, you're going to multiply both of those times both numbers on the bottom, 10 times 40, 10 times 5, and 7 times 5 and 7 times 40. And then add those all together, and that'll be the answer. It's partial products because you're figuring out really small numbers and making small multiplication problems, and the answers are products. So that's why it's called partial products. I hope this helps. If it doesn't, please let me know, and I can try to teach you a different way. Thank you very much. Have a good day. We'll see you later.